In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer, stopwatch, or timestamp in Shotcut. We'll build a clean, customizable on-screen timer that sits neatly over your footage, and I'll explain what each setting does so you can get the exact look and behavior you want. Start by creating a new video track for the overlay. At the top left corner of your timeline, click the hamburger icon, choose Track Operations, and select Add Video Track. This gives the timer its own layer so you can control it separately from your main video. Next, go to New Generator at the top, click Color, then in the pop-up, click Color again, and choose Black. Confirm with OK, then click Add to Timeline. Drag this new color clip to the top of your existing video, placing it exactly where you want the timer to appear in your edit. Think of this black clip as the canvas that will hold the timer. With that color clip selected, open Filters, click the plus sign, and search for the timer filter. Add it, and you'll see options to tailor the look. Use the preset menu to quickly place it, like bottom left or bottom right. Choose a format you prefer for how the time is displayed. Direction controls whether it counts up or down. For a countdown timer, set it to down. Duration defines how long the timer runs, while offset sets the starting value. Start delay lets the timer begin after a short pause, and speed controls how fast it moves. Leave speed at 1 for real time. If you want a simple stopwatch, set direction to up, and for a timestamp style overlay, use offset to match your starting time. To style the text, click the current font, pick a typeface and size you like, and press OK. Make sure Use Font Size is checked so your chosen size actually applies. You can adjust the position controls to nudge the timer exactly where you want it, and set the horizontal fit to left, center, or right to keep it aligned consistently. When you're happy with the look, click the left side of the timeline where your timer's track controls are, the area with the lock, speaker, and hide icons to target that track. Open Properties and change the blend mode to Screen. This blend makes the black background vanish while keeping the timer visible, creating a clean overlay on your footage. That's it. You've added a timer, stopwatch, or timestamp in Shotcut. If this helped, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.